Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to walk you through the process step by step of how to build a retaining wall for a number sign. So right here we're going to put a number sign right here, embedded this number right into it. We're going to have light right into the number sign. I want to show you how to do something like this if this is something that you're interested of learning how to do. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video. The first thing I want to do here, I want to take some measurements so that way we can square. So we're going to go off the house, because in most cases the house is square. So we're going to measure 14 feet. Going to go a bit wider and measure 14 feet as well from the house. 14 feet over here. Now we're going to get a long level. Get a long level. We're just going to mark it. The wall we're building, I'm thinking to build it 5 feet and a half, close to 6 feet. Going to have coping on top. We just mark it just like so. That's my wall. I'm going to straighten it from this post here. This is going to be the I want this to be the edge. So I want to measure over around 4 inches. 4 inches of that. Here. For the foundation, I want this to be around 8 inches. I'm going to go 6. The block is 6 inches. 6 there. Plus another 6, so we're going to go with 18 inches for foundation. We're going to do the same thing here. So we need to dig right here, and our wall is going to be right in the center. Yeah, so if you can see here, I have the block in the center. We have 8. Basically, we line up the outer side, the post wall itself. We square it from the house. Now we're gonna go ahead and dig out here now. Okay, so first thing I want to do here, I want to get my spade, and we're gonna dig around the mark. So we're gonna just dig inside of the dirt. That way we can mark out where we have our retaining wall gonna be. Once we dig right around, now we're gonna go ahead and start to dig it out. It's a top, man. Look how this thing is big. And I want to tell you, this thing goes straight to your foundation, keep on posting to the concrete, and eventually cause it to crack. So be careful how close you're planting these guys to your home. Two rebar down in the bottom. Afterwards we're gonna raise them up. We have some crossbar that we're gonna fix right across like so. Okay. So that's how it is. We raise up the stirrup from off of the ground. Afterwards, we're gonna straighten our wall bar. We have this one gonna fall right in the first block. That's gonna fall in the second block. And that's gonna fall in third block. Afterwards, we're gonna fill the block pocket that has the steel in them. Okay, so now just gonna pour our concrete into our footing. For that, I'm gonna make sure that my steel is in line, right in the center of the foundation. I wanna check to make sure that all the steels are in line with each other. They are, you see. Aiming to get around 10 to 12 inches of concrete into our footing. Shake it to get the gravity. Go up and just slightly pull down with my hand. Up, down. We'll get into stick nicely. We're gonna start from the top here, shake. So if I turn my tool upside down, it won't fall off. Start with the pine, then I'm gonna start up high, tilt down. Again. Gonna butter the face of our block, shake again to get the gravity, just like so. Also can plaster your face and your block this way as well. So now we're gonna plumb our wall. You wanna make sure that the water is in the center of the level. That way you know that your wall is plumb. That side is plumb. You wanna check for this side as well. So as you see here, it's telling me that my block needs to come over. The bottom is right to the level. As you see, the bottom is right to the level now. The top needs to come over. What you wanna do to get the top over to the level, you wanna top it this side. So you wanna top it like this. See? Make sure all the block is touching right onto your level. That way you know that the wall, all of your block is in line with your wall. Just gonna put it right here, just make sure that it's in line with this one. No? This still. See, make sure that everything is nice and straight, guys. It's plumb there. You want to make sure that she's nice and plumb here. Take your time, no rush. Get it right. Do it right once and for all. Paste it on like that. Paste it on like that. Rub it on. Knock him right down to where you need to have him. Level that way.
Backfill.
Check for plumb.